Hello and welcome along to another lesson with Mr. Burns. In this lesson we are going to look at algebraic expressions, looking at expanding brackets of the form a bracket bx plus c, where a, b and c are a member of the real number line. Now this lesson will concentrate on a being less than 0. Okay, so in order for us to do that, let's do a couple of examples of questions that you've done where a is greater than 0, where a, the value outside the bracket in this case, is positive. Okay, so we've got here 3 groups of x plus 4. One group, 2 groups, and 3 groups. Okay, so 3 lots of x, 3x, and 4, 8 and 12. 3 groups of 4 is 12. So 3 bracket x plus 4, expanding those brackets, we've got 3x plus 12. Similarly, we have got 6 groups of 2x minus 1. So 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, and 6 groups. So 6 groups of 2x, 12x. 6 groups of negative 1, negative 6. Okay? So there'll be other videos on doing this expanding brackets where the value outside the bracket is positive. Let's look at this example then. These ones always cause problems in the classroom and probably indeed in the exam. So what do we have here, right? We have got, let's cover this up just now. We have got a group of x plus 3. Okay, that's what we've got. However, it's the negative of it, right? So it's the inverse, positive x, as it stands, but we have the negative of that. The negative of positive x is negative x. We have got 3, positive 3, but we have a negative grouping of that, so it's negative positive 3. So a negative and a positive is a negative. So we've inverted those operations there. Positive x, a negative of a positive x is a negative x. Positive 3, a negative of a positive 3, inverting that operation, negative 3. Okay, this would be the same question, right? Now you know with the amount of maths and algebra you've done already, we don't write the 1. Okay, so if there's not a presence of a numeral, a digit, then think about it as being 1, right? That represents 1x, right? 1x. But because it's greater than 1, we write the number, the digit 2x. Okay, so again, these negatives are going to test you. You have to think about what you have. You've got 1 group of x plus 3. But you've got the negative of that. So that's negative x. And that's negative 3. So expanding this out, negative 1 multiplying x plus 3, the negative x, negative 3. So we've got negative x minus 3. Okay, so let me put this together with a question. 2 minus x plus 3. Okay, so your order of operations are such that you have to apply brackets and indices, multiplying, division, adding, subtracting. Okay, so you can think about them as a pyramid, so that the multiplying and division can be applied just from left to right. Right, it's not multiplication before division. It's not division before multiplication, it's how it's presented to you. Okay, but you must do the brackets and exponents, right? The brackets and the indices firstly. Okay, so there's definitely brackets here. We've got a grouping of x plus 3, but we've got a negative grouping of that. Okay, so this here isn't the first thing that we do, right? We've got a negative grouping, so we've got a negative x and a negative 3. So as the operations, 2 minus x minus 3. Okay, and then we can apply our simplification process, right? We've expanded, so the question would say expand and simplify. How do we make that look simpler? We collect like terms, so we take the operations with it. If this helps, positive 2 minus 3, okay, positive 2 minus 3, so addition of a negative there. Okay, so there, 0 pair, 0 pair, negative 1. So 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So we've got negative x, let's write it in order with the algebra. Base x first and then the digits at the end. Okay, so minus 1 for this particular example. Okay, I'll upload some more videos on these types. Here we're looking at expanding brackets where a is less than 0. Okay, these are the same, right? We wouldn't write the 1. When you are applying it in this situation, you have to think about your order of operations. Okay. And as usual, thanks for watching.